Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add spaces in Instagram captions. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then click on the plus icon in the bottom of your screen. Okay. Then you just simply select gallery, and here you can simply choose photos. And then you just simply click on the picture which you want to upload. And then simply click on next. And here if you want to edit your picture, so simply you can select filter, or you can click on edit and do further editing. And after complete your editing, you just simply click on next again. And here you just simply write a caption. And in order to add spaces in Instagram captions, so you see the arrow option in your keypad in the bottom right corner of your screen. So you just simply click on that, and here you just simply type another text or putting some hashtag. That's it. Now you will be able to add spaces in Instagram's captions. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.